Welcome to PayMate. Get started with the PayMate Business Payments app in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Download the app. Download the PayMate app from Google Play or Apple App Store. Make on-the-go supplier payments with your credit cards, enjoy up to 50 days of interest-free credit period, and earn rewards points on every transaction. Step 2. Register your account. Quickly set up your profile by entering your business details. Verify your account with the OTP sent to your email. Complete your KYC in 4 simple steps. Upload a photo of your ID, like a national ID card or passport. Provide your business proof, such as a registration certificate or MAA document. Take a selfie for verification. Submit the FATCA declaration to finalize your KYC. Now that your account is verified, let's explore how to pay your suppliers. Step 3. Log in. Sign in securely and access your homepage. Step 4. Add your credit card. Enter and save your credit card details to the platform. Step 5. Add your suppliers. Add your supplier's business and bank details. PayMate will automatically handle the KYC compliance checks. Step 6. Make a payment. Select your supplier, enter the amount, choose your credit card, and complete the payment. Funds are transferred within 1 to 3 working days. Track your payments in real time and check the exact status of each payment in the History tab. Congratulations on making your first payment. Now you're all set to seamlessly manage your business payments with PayMate. PayMate. Make faster, on-time business payments.